Okay, good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be creating a tutorial on how to draw a martial arts sai. We're not going to create it full size. You can go ahead and scale it up if you need to, but this is going to be a smaller version. Okay, we'll go ahead and create a new design. I'm going to go ahead and change that to plan view. I'm going to drag in a JPEG that I found as a reference. Blow this up. We want to click on the actual graphic. We want to say move, and we want to rotate it ever so slightly. That's good. We're going to draw this part first. So we'll grab a line tool. I'm going to go ahead and put a straight line in here. We're going to right mouse click and we're going to set as mirror. Now we're going to control plus to zoom in. We're going to grab our pan tool. Actually, let me adjust this. Okay. So let's get our pan down. I'm going to create a little line right here. Okay, we're going to grab our rounded or 3-point arch. We're going to make small adjustments. We just want to make sure that the rounded parts are tangent. And if we tend to drag the arch too far, then they won't be tangent. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and grab our offset tool. We're going to offset those 0.75. Okay, now we're going to grab our 3-point arch. Go ahead and make these round. These aren't going to be sharp points. The curve doesn't have to match the example perfectly. Okay, now we're going to grab our 3-point arch and come from there down to here. All right, now we're going to grab our line tool. Go to there, select off, grab a pan tool, and pan over, get the line tool again. We're going to come in a little bit on this so it's a little pointy. Select, grab our line tool, put a line across there, select. We're going to get our trim away tool. I'm going to trim away these unnecessary bits. Okay, now we're going to pan back over, grab the trim away. Get this. Okay, now we can get rid of that middle line. We don't need it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put in our handle. Okay, let's get our 3-point arch. We're going to go from the end point across to here. Give this a little bit of a puffy handle. Now we're going to grab our line tool again, come from there. Oh, that was wrong. Undo. Going to control plus. Going to get our line tool from here. from the bottom straight up. It's okay if you cross lines because you're going to use your trim away tool. Okay, now Control minus. I'm going to select the graphic, hit delete with the select tool. Don't need it anymore. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and pull. I'm going to pull that, select our revolve, select it, revolve around the middle there, full pull. Now we're going to spin this. We're going to put a radius or fillet. .02. Okay, now we're going to pull this. I'm going to come over here and select pull from both. We're going to pull it 0.200. Let me go undo. I want that to be not as thick, so we're going to pull it half that distance. Let's go 0.14. 0.14. So now we're going to go ahead and spin. Now we're going to pull. Select till all the faces selected. We're going to pull. Go to 0.2. Spin this around. Do the same on the back. Pull. 0.2. I'm going to go ahead and change that to top view. Double click the handle. We're going to go move. We're going to grab the red arrow. We're going to move the handle into place. All right. That's going to be our tutorial for today. This is the martial arts sai. Go check out the view and the isometric. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you found this useful, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. And thanks again for watching.